Hi, my name is Anne Guye, a marriage and family therapist partnering with Ponea Health. And today I'm talking about the dynamics of marriage. And so, friends, another external factor. How much of them do we allow into the marriage? Yeah? While we still connect with our friends, how much do we allow them to come in and take a place in our marriage? I keep going back to the fact that marriage is a union between two, not between a lady and she coming with her family and friends and the man coming with his family and friends. It's between the two of them, and then now the others are secondary. And so learning to handle them in a healthy way without disconnecting from them. And then we also have challenges of political affiliations, challenges of cultural differences, and challenges of handling finances and like where to invest. Is it my money or your money? All these are factors that are caused by us trying to survive in this external world. Yeah, it's dynamic. The world itself is a dynamic place. And so learning to communicate around these challenges with each other and applying the right communication styles so that we are able to solve our problems. And again, I will retaliate. If we handle this the right way, these are things that in premarital counseling one can be helped to navigate through. So that we are not talking about how many children, do we want children. In the first place, maybe one of you is not ever thinking of getting children, and the other one came into marriage knowing, I'm into this relationship for one of the reasons is procreation. I want children. So what happens? Conflict come. But if we talk around how do we handle this now that we are in this. We didn't get a chance of discussing this earlier, but we are in it now. What can we do? And so you look at things like resources, health. Are we in a position to both be parents? Because at times we don't take it for granted that we can all get children. Or might not get. And so going through that, and what happens if we don't get because maybe of medical reasons. So how do we handle that? Talking through it early and understanding each other around it and supporting each other around it is very important. And so communication is key in handling external factors. There are social pressures. Especially for young couples, you try to fit in with your peers out there. And so how you perceive their status changing every now and then, while yours might not be changing at the same speed, will affect how you relate with each other in the marriage arena, in the marriage situation, because maybe one has now brought up their anxious way of dealing with things because things are not working. And again, if we look at the social dynamics, when COVID happened, we were all told to stay at home. We were all told to avoid crowding in social places and all that. What did it do to marriages? The man was not able to go out and socialize with the boys. The lady was not able to do the same, where maybe you've agreed once in a month, we allow each other to connect with our social networks, because it's also important to do that. But now we've been locked in and we are not able to do that. So tension comes in, and so if we don't discuss this in the right way, then we get into trouble. Thank you for engaging with us. You can reach me on ponea.com, and we look forward to engaging with you in the next episode.